Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. So we are continuing our journey on OPM implementation roadmap steps. Today we're going to talk about one of the critical area in OPM implementation is establishing OPM metrics and KPIs. Right? So far I have discussed initial six steps like defining OPM initiative, defining rules, business case, and OPM maturity and process management, right? So today I'm going to discuss about how do you go about establishing OPM performance metrics and KPI. Right. So this particular picture talks about project performance baselines. Comparison at life cycle stages. What are different stages you can compare and your baseline actually. So there are four stages, life cycle stages defined here. Project initiation, that give you inputs about as sold to customer. What is the commitment to the customer? So that kind of baseline you'll get it. At project planning level, you'll see that planning baselines like schedule baseline, cost baseline, all those things you can see that. And project delivery, as if you build it right, implementation metrics, you can baseline and compare it. And even at closeout, you can compare, at the closeout you can compare, what is the sold to, as sold to customer and what we are completing, what are the variances. So each and every stages of project life cycle, you can have project management baseline metrics. You can baseline it at every stage. You can compare and measure your metrics, right? Another important aspect in OPM metrics and KPI is the OPM process performance, right? How do we evaluate the performance of the process? Say I given three examples here. Effective requirements development results in fewer changes, right? That is one of the process performance. How effectively team is developing the requirements minimizes the cost of change, schedule, and cost impacts, right? The effective risk management reduces threat exposure and effects of uncertainty, right? So you can have that effective risk management, right? That automatically reduces threat exposure and effects of uncertainty. You can reduce the cost of contingency and everything. And finally, OPM governance framework effectiveness, right? That also one process performance area can be measured in terms of project delivery reliability, right? Delivery to plan predictability, project life duration, cost, market impacts, organizational profitability, and benefit realization, right? So these are the some of the examples of organizational process management, process performance. video. Hope you got a fair idea about how do you go about establishing the OPM metrics and KPIs during the OPM implementation roadmap scenarios. Okay, so thanks a lot for your time. Hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback on my improvements, so that I can improve on my delivery as well as my content. Thank you. Bye bye.